Johnnie Finch here, your local criminal defense attorney. Listen, parents, if your child has been locked up more than one time, I want to make a suggestion to you. When you get that call that your child is locked up, instead of running down with a bondsman within an hour, give them some time to wait. Let your child sit in jail for a little while and think about their actions. And maybe once they're out, they'll be able to appreciate the fact that they're getting in trouble time after time. I know you want to get them out, and I know you want them to be safe, but let them see the elements and what's going on in a facility. And I think that may help out. Thank you. Yo, come here, man. Let me talk to you. I saw that Facebook video that you put up telling parents not to get their kids out of jail. Man, you were wildin'. You got a platform. You out here, you speaking in the community, you're in courtroom, you working for people. I understand this, but you got a platform. You gotta be responsible with that. Why would you ever put out that trash? You got some explaining to do, man. What's up? Wait. Yes. I put the video up, I put the post up, 2 videos. A lot of people didn't see both videos. Either way, I can wear that. They were packaged wrong. I was having a long day. A lot of things were going on. There was a message that I was trying to get out. I thought I was helping. Maybe I was hurting. But at the end of the day, that's me. That's how I've always been. If I think I can help, I get the package out and I put it out as quickly as possible. That's crazy. Listen, I know you passed the bar, but I know a little bit. And I looked up the stats, and I couldn't find anything that said keeping somebody in jail for a prolonged amount of time before they go to court is going to help them have any positive effects. Listen, you got to explain this, man. Listen, I bring these stats to you. That's what y'all lawyers do, right? Y'all use stats. Well, tell me what's up. I didn't say keep your child, no matter what age they are, in jail for an unlimited amount of time. What I was speaking and trying to centralize was, what is the plan? Do you have a plan for your child? And the things that you want to look at is, what are the circumstances? You know, if there's a chance that your child may be hooked on some type of drugs, if they get locked up and you don't have a plan in place, maybe to give them some type of treatment or the proper facilities for them to go to afterwards, what's going to happen once they get out? More than likely, they're going to go out and they're going to look for drugs again. I hope that's not the case. You know, is it a random situation? Have they only been locked up once? Obviously, if they only been locked up once, it's probably a mistake. Yeah, go get your child. But it wasn't a situation where I was saying just leave your child in jail for time after time after time. That's not what I was getting at. What is your plan for your child? And how many times has it been? You know, is this the 7th time you've had to bail your child out? Have they ever been? How much time is this plan gonna take? Because while you coming up with this plan, they're in jail with some dangerous individuals that don't care about them and they don't care about you. They could be injured, they could be sexually assaulted, they could catch diseases while you waiting and coming up with this plan. Yes. I've never been to jail before. I get it. I know it's a dangerous place. We hear about it all the time. But I mean, let's look at the reality of the situation. If someone, any individual, doesn't have to be their child, continuously is getting arrested, there's a chance that ultimately they may go to prison at some point. So while I understand it's dangerous in jail, I'm sure it's dangerous in prison too. What can we do to actually cut that off? That's what I was trying to speak to. That's easy for you to say, man. You've never been to jail before. Never been to prison before, any of those. You sit here telling me that somebody's supposed to sit back and let their child wait in jail while they come up with all these plans and all these schemes. I mean, come on. If you were in jail, your mom go get you. You got kids 2 and 3. I don't even know how you think you can even speak to this situation. I mean, who are you to tell somebody's parents what to do with their kids? I know you're a lawyer and all that different type of jazz, but I mean, what gives you the right to tell someone to leave their child in harm's way? What qualifies me? Wait, listen. 7 years I worked in the juvenile detention center with these children. We sat, we counseled, met their parents, learned about this situation. Now that I'm a lawyer, it's more of the same. We're in the office, we're praying, we're counseling with them, and issues come up. Now, these issues are not being spoke about. I've never heard anybody address what should happen when somebody's locked up. What I suggested is have a plan first. Now, if this is something that I've learned, who am I and what good am I if I can't give it to the community? Okay. I can kind of see where you're coming from. You make some points that I can kind of feel just a little bit. At the end of the day, I'm going to get my kids every time they get locked up. But yeah, I can respect your point of view, and it seems like you kind of got a heart for the community, so I can respect that too. But anyway, I'm still getting my kids. My bad. I can respect that. Right or wrong, the conversation has to take place. I'm open to a dialogue. I can respect your opinion, but we have to have these hard talks in our community.